In Western Australia, there's only one name you need to remember for diesel engines, professional machining services and quality spare parts. That name is Noordeman Diesel. We've been specialising in diesel engines since 1981 and cater for a wide range of industries, including the automotive, civil and industrial, earth-moving, transport, mining, power generation and marine sectors. What sets us apart from the rest is our people, our commitment to customer service and our promise to deliver speedy turnarounds. We have over 30 years experience with Perkins parts and diesel engine machining, and all of our work is quality endorsed to exacting standards so that you know that your engines and your machining requirements are in good hands. Our workshop is located in Welshpool in Western Australia. It houses the latest specialised reconditioning and machining equipment to accommodate all types of jobs. From small single-cylinder engine overhauls to major machining work on large earth-moving engines, even up to V20. You'll also find one of the best selections of diesel engine spare parts in Australia. We are genuine Perkins and listed Petter dealers for both new engines and spare parts, and stock a great range of genuine components and aftermarket OEM. For professional workmanship, quality engine products and guaranteed parts, look no further. Experience the next step. That's Noordeman Diesel, the team for service and quality.